A apple. A is for apple. Let's say it together. A apple. A is for apple.
B. B is for ball.
B says buh. Let's bounce the ball. Ball.
C. C is for car. D is for dog.
D. Dog.
D is for dog. E is for elephant. Elephant starts with E. See the elephant dance? E, E, E. F is for father. F, father.
Father.
G is for grandparents. Grandparents love to play with us. H is for house. Let's learn the letter H. H for house.
I is for ice.
I. Ice, ice, ice.
J is for jelly. Jelly, jelly. Let's make some jelly. Yummy jelly. K is for kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchens have stoves, sinks, and fridges. L is for lion. L, lion.
Let's learn the letter M. M is for mother. Can you say mother?
Mother.
N is for night. Nighttime is when the stars come out. O is for open. O says O. The door is open.
P is for park.
Let's run to the park slide. Whee, this is fun.
Q is for queen.
Hello, I am the queen. Q, queen.
R. R is for river. See the river flow? R is for river. S is for sun. S is for sun.
S is for sun.
T is for tiger. T, tiger. Tigers are big and strong. T, tiger. U is for university. University. U is for university.
V is for vegetables. V for vegetables. Let's name some vegetables. Tomato, carrot, broccoli.
W is for water. Water is clear and refreshing. X is for xylophone. Xylophone starts with X. Let's play the xylophone. Y is for yellow.
Y is for yellow.
Y.
Yellow.
Z is for Zune. Zune means a baby animal, like this baby deer.
Zoom.